A little tipsy, but I'm okay to film this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lexus, and today's video is very exciting because I'm finally going to be sitting down and filming my Sephora haul video for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my last upload, and we're just gonna get started. Some Mexican food and some margs, and I am sober, a little tipsy, but I'm okay to film this video, so let's get into it. Everything's random, kind of, but I will also link in the description box every single product that I mentioned in the video. Because I did kind of have to open the box already, sorry, to use this because I needed another product for my brows. So I did my makeup before we left to go on our date night, and to fill in my brows today, I finally bought the Tractable Waterproof Brow Pencil by the Sephora collection. And I had heard about this brow pencil when I worked at Sephora. One of the most amazing women I've ever met working at Sephora. Her name is Shayna, and I don't know if Shayna still works with Sephora or if she's doing her own thing now. So uplifting and encouraging. Shayna, if you ever come across this video, like, I miss you and just miss having those great conversations with you at Sephora. And every time she did her brows, you guys, they were so amazing. And every time I think that I asked her, your brows look amazing, what did you use today? Like, what'd you use this time? She always told me about this pencil. You guys, these brows didn't go anywhere. This didn't rub off. And again, it is waterproof. So now that we're getting into warmer weather, springtime, and eventually summertime, this is perfect brow pencil for you guys to use. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. It does have a spoolie on this end, and then the point is very fine. I think it works, you know, really well. So here it is right here. We're gonna go through this box of goodies right now. I did a whole declutter of like all my makeup that I knew I absolutely needed to get rid of because it expired. I hit pan, you know, it just no longer worked for me. So I did all that sometime last year, I think towards the end of the year. And so I've needed to restock and replenish a lot of my foundations, my concealers, my powders. Even though I did a very simple look today, I'm only wearing like Sephora collection face powder, foundation. My brows were done, and then I did Juvia's Place blush and a Morphe lip gloss, and that was it. I had to do a lot of research online and also watching YouTube videos of other women that were similar to my skin tone. But I finally purchased my first item from Liss Beauty, which is sold exclusively at Sephora and online. And this is the Liss Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. It has hyaluronic acid, it has turmeric in it, and ashwagandha. It's cruelty free, it's considered vegan and gluten free. How awesome. If you don't know, you know now, but I have been going on a gluten-free journey this new year, so I have been cutting out gluten from my diet kind of quickly, but in a slow, more realistic pace. I bought this in the shade DG3. These are unique shade names. If you guys would like, I can film a video myself swatching and applying this exact concealer on my skin. Looks just like that. I guess I can kind of open the packaging as well. Triangular shaped bottle, like a prism. And this packaging feels really good. It feels really nice, so I like that. It's a rose gold knob. And then when you open it, it looks like this. So, and it doesn't smell like anything. I'm a little nervous about the undertone of this, but again, I will have to swatch it out for myself. It may actually work. I don't know if it like oxidizes or anything like that, but yeah, we'll definitely see. But it feels lightweight, nice and creamy, so it gives me some hope that it's going to be very blendable. The next item that I have, I I've been wanting to buy this as well and try it out, especially because of Andrea Renee, YouTube content for all beauty things, and she does do vlogging as well, but she's really known for like reviewing makeup products, things like that. So she has highly raved about the Sephora collection translucent setting powder. I personally have never tried it, and she uses this almost every single time she does her makeup, especially for setting all over the face because it is translucent when I am wearing a full face of glam or foundation, whatever. So I will keep you guys posted on that, let you guys know how that turns out. Who knows, I might even do a video where I just use both of these products in one video just to kind of give an overview of that, so stay tuned. The next thing that I have is a foundation. So I'm so late to the game, but I know at some point this was really popping, very popular liquid foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. I have the shade Chai. So based on YouTube reviews from other girls similar to my complexion, this one seemed like it was very close. We'll see. Like, my fear about these type of trying to find the right shade in foundation like this is like, you know, the undertone is too warm, because like to me that looks a little too warm. Like it's got like an orangey tone. I'm getting more of an orange tone from this as opposed to golden. I don't like to have an orange red undertone in my skin when I'm wearing foundation. I mainly have yellow to golden undertones, and I feel like it comes off really well on camera. I mean, for those of you watching, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but like when I'm looking at myself in my screen here, I do have more of a golden / yellow undertone to my skin. So I'm hoping it's gonna like oxidize, maybe melt in my skin a little bit better once I apply it properly with like a brush or a sponge. Who knows, that might be my shade to use like as we get into the summertime this year, like because I tend to get like about a shade darker than my normal complexion. The next thing that I have is a mini size of the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Caramel. So when I worked at Sephora, like I had my makeup done by like other girls when we had to like practice on each other during training, and this was one of the shades used on me, and I loved how it came out. But then there was another shade someone else used on me as well that I also liked. It was a little bit more brightening than this one. So I'm really not sure, but that's why I got a mini size, because I want to be sure I still like this undertone. Oh yeah, that's great. So I just swatched it compared to the Liss Beauty. This one is a shade brighter, shade lighter. So I think that is gonna still look pretty on my skin. And again, this is the shade Caramel. All right, you guys, so I'm down to like the last two little products. Again, this was a small kind of random haul from Sephora, and then at the time I was just trying to do like my little meet my goal for my points, because I'm now officially a VIB. Your girl made it up a tier. I've been Beauty Insider for years, so it kind of feels good to be like in the middle. The last two products, the next one I got was a small size of the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. I know a lot of people have raved and said this is really good, but again, I want to make sure I personally like it on my skin with my makeup, so that's why I got a small size first to try it. The very last product is an eye cream. I've been very consistent to say, I will say, when it comes to my skincare routine, and I really got into it more, especially when the pandemic first hit, you know, a couple years ago, and being on lockdown, being at home, needing to find more things to do with my time in a healthy way. So I took it upon myself to start working on my skin and my skincare, and I can say, you guys, like my skin has made so much progress and has definitely improved a lot in the past 2 years. I feel like my skin is in a place where I'm personally comfortable enough to go without wearing foundation all the time. The Sephora collection eye cream came up a lot as one of the top rated products. So this one is the hyaluronic acid brightening eye cream. So it's supposed to hydrate and also reduce dark circles, which is something I really deal with a lot. Like, I have a lot of darkness around my eyes. I'm not sure about like the eyelids and why those have always been so dark, it seems, but like definitely under the eye area has gotten dark now. over the years. And so I just want to try to improve that and take care of it if I can. Even this is a small container, I will say, so that's a little disappointing, but again, it was on the affordable side, so I mean, you kind of pay for what you get, I guess. Well, this is very little itty bitty eye cream, but it doesn't seem like it has a smell. I am going to test this out tonight when I go and take off all my makeup and stuff. I will let you guys know how well this works. Alright y'all, so that is going to be it for this video. I'll be keeping you guys updated in the comment section of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything that you saw in this video that you are going to consider purchasing or buying to try out for yourself, please let me know in the comments, because I love responding to you guys and seeing that interaction on my videos. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Thank you again so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!